Good morning to one and all. Today our concept is in our fourth unit that is nothing but design thinking tiles toolkit. The topic is design thinking tiles toolkit. What exactly a tiles toolkit? Tiles toolkit is nothing but it is an open source project to develop methods and tools or whatever it may be, you can say components at science and technology. We have to improve some products or services throughout that organization. Okay, it is the concept of tiles toolkit. What exactly it is nothing but what I want to say, it is an open source project. If you want to develop their methods and tools at science and technology, which you are using some components at our businesses or companies or of our market trends, wherever it may be, it is nothing but it is an open source project. Exactly what I can define the tiles toolkit is nothing but it is defined as a toolbox. It is defined as a toolbox to support the iterative process. What they support here, iterative process, here we want to support it of building prototypes of whatever. If you have to interactive the objects, providing a design and prototyping the tools. Okay, what I meant to say exactly in the sense, tiles toolkit is defined as a toolbox. We want to support the interactive, the iterative process. What process? Iterative process of building prototypes of interactive objects. They're providing a design and prototyping tools. Okay, so what I meant to say exactly in the sense, employing the tiles toolkit in a project is a two-phase process. How many phases if you have in tiles toolkit? If you have a two-phase, okay, employing the tiles toolkit in a project is a two-phase process. How many phases? Two phases. The two phases are, the first one is, you can say, ideation phase. What are the ideas you are challenging? Take assumptions. That is nothing but ideation phase. And one more, the second phase is nothing but prototyping phase. What phase? Prototyping phase. And coming to this chapter, tiles toolkit is divided into two sections. What you want to introduce the two phases and the tools available to the users during both phases of development. What I meant to say in the sense, this chapter include this tiles toolkit is divided into two sections. Whatever, if you have to introduce the two phases, ideation phase as well as the prototyping phase, and the tools available in that one to the users during both phases of development. What I want to explain now in the first section, the first section will introduce the first phase is nothing but what I meant to say in the sense, ideation phase. First one, ideation phase. What does it mean in the sense, the ideation phase and the tools available in the tiles toolkit to support it. What they support? The tools available in the tiles toolkit to support it. Okay, so coming to the second section, the tiles toolkit in this chapter include that is nothing but a prototyping phase. Similarly, we will introduce the prototyping phase and the tools available to users during this phase of their projects. So the tools introduced this chapter, what they represent in the sense, the current state of the tiles toolkit. What it represents, the current state of the tiles toolkit. So the tiles toolkit is extended with some important new components that will bind the two phases together. What I am saying in the sense, First phase, ideation phase, tools available in the tiles toolkit, we want to support it. And coming to the second section, we will also introduce a similar way. The second section is nothing but prototyping phase. Here also the tools available to users during this phase of their projects. So the tools introduced this chapter, what they represent in the sense the current state of the tiles toolkit. So the tiles toolkit is extended with some important new components. Okay, so that will bind in the sense link, that will link the two phases together. First phase, what, ideation phase as well as a prototyping phase, the two phases are together combined to make sure that a smooth transition between the two phases of development. What we want to say in design thinking tiles toolkit, the tiles toolkit is nothing but it is an open source project. We want to develop some methods and tools at the technology, science and technology, in whichever businesses purposes and market trend purposes or our company purposes or organization purposes, it is very useful. The toolkit, whatever if we have to use there, the tiles toolkit awareness, if we have to learn about awareness of tiles toolkit, what I meant to say in the sense the awareness of tiles toolkit in design thinking, how the tiles toolkit it will be in the sense what that its importance in the sense it's essential for to scalable innovation process, how it is nothing but first of all if we have to learn about the tiles toolkit in the sense awareness about the tiles toolkit of design thinking and its importance to scalable innovation process. First of all, if you want to learn about the problems at democracy, to emphasize it, okay, later what that problem you can understand that problem, okay, and then we have to define by using some innovation thoughts, if we have to define that, and later we can create some ideate in the sense some ideas, new ideas, some innovation ideas about that creation, and we have to start our solution by using a prototyping. And then finally if we have to deliver the product to the customer, how we want to improve the product and how we want to implement that product whatever the customer needs, okay, and finally we have to validate that product, it is delivered to the customer or not, it is valid or not, we have to make via test. And then finally if we have to deliver the product to the customer, whatever the customer gave the feedback to you, whatever the problems, we have to solve that. Okay, this is nothing but awareness of design thinking a toolkit. What exactly I meant to say in the sense tiles toolkit, exactly in the sense the tiles toolkit is a hardware and software platform, ma'am. It is nothing but a hardware and software platform that enables internet of things application, ma'am. What that able to do, that enables internet of things application like prototyping, okay, to start our solutions by using the custom tiles squares. What, wow, by using the custom tiles squares, in the sense whatever the customer do, the work will do a proper function, like whatever they need, the task they do, like represent the perfectly the task whatever they do, like custom tiles squares, yes, they are using some hardware devices for interaction with the real world. Okay, this is the concept of a tiles toolkit. What exactly I meant to say in the sense it is a hardware and software platform that enables to do the internet of things application like prototyping by using the custom tiles square as hardware devices for interaction with the real world. Okay, this is nothing but a tiles toolkit. First of all, if we have to learn this design thinking tiles toolkit, what is the design thinking? Already we learn about in first video what is the design thinking. It is a process creative through problem solving. Okay, whatever, if we have to think once, whatever work you have to do, if we have to think once and then design whatever they give the task to you. Okay, if we have to analyze, if we have to emphasize what that and then if we have to observe the feelings about their problems, the customer problems and their feelings. Okay, yet a democracy, and then if we have to ideate that, and then if we have to prototype that, and finally if we have to test and deliver whatever it may be, if we have to emphasize that problem, and if we have to be able to understand, and then by defining, by using some innovative thoughts and ideate, in the sense if we have to create some of our solutions, nothing but prototype, and finally if we have to deliver the product to the customer, it is improvement product or implement product or validate product, whatever it may be. This is the concept awareness of design thinking. Okay, now we can see in design thinking tiles toolkit we have design 6 steps to innovation toolkit success. What we have to do here, 6 steps what steps we have to learn there, 6 steps to innovation toolkit success. What is innovation? Innovation in the sense nothing but new ideas to get up my early function. Okay, innovation means what I mean to say exactly, in the sense introduction of something. What ma'am? Introduction of something new. Okay, introduction of something new, whatever, new projects, new products, new services, whatever it may be. Thus innovation can be defined as the introduction of a new product. What I meant to say now, the introduction of a new product and service or process into the market place. Okay, this is the concept of innovation. Coming to the innovation toolkit, how it will success, in the sense we need to follow some steps. How many steps they given here? 6 steps. Okay, we have to learn the 6 steps. What are the innovation process now? What are the innovation model? What are the specific templates or frameworks we are using there? If we have to learn about these things now in this topic, design thinking tiles toolkit. First of all, 6 steps to innovation toolkit success. There are many toolkits and innovation processes out there. All of them share various features and usually include an innovation model and involve a step-by-step process and provide specific templates that support each step. What I meant to say exactly, in the sense there are so many toolkits they are provided and innovation processes out there. What is exactly the innovation processes? In the sense the innovation processes describes the path of translating a new and or existing knowledge into a marketable solutions. Whatever, if you have to take some companies that pursue a successful innovation process, have something decisive that puts them ahead of other. Okay, so they have to design the path of an idea. Okay, from generation and through a development and to market entry, whatever it may be. Okay, this is nothing but innovation process, the path of translating whatever new or existing knowledge into a marketable solutions. So all of them share some various features, but usually they include an innovation model. Innovation model is nothing but, we can say, linear model of innovation. The innovation model is nothing but what we want to say, that is nothing but linear model of innovation. Linear, only single. Okay, linear in the sense it is nothing but, it was an early model designed, what they are designing to understand the relationship of science and technology. Okay, so that begins with the basic research that flows into applied research and development, and we can say the product, whatever the the products we are using at organization, the research we have to apply, that flow and development as well as diffusion. This is nothing the concept of innovation model. It's designed by understanding the relationship of science and technology. We want to develop some methods and components or nothing but tools. It involve a step by step process, and we want to provide some specific templates. We want to some specific framework, how does it will take, how does it support for each and every step. We have to learn that now. Okay, now the first step is nothing but take the best and reinvent the rest. Listen carefully, what we want to reinvent in the sense, in Telugu, what I meant to say, tirigi avishkarinchandi, ante once again if we have to do that, reinvent, to invent again. We have to, if we have to take the best and reinvent the rest, what we have to say, reinvent, to invent again or a new. Okay, what I meant to say exactly in the sense, especially without knowing that the invention, already they exist, to remake or make over as in a different form. Okay, this is the concept of reinvent, in the sense to reinvent again whatever, especially without knowing that the invention already exists, to remake. Okay, this is the concept of reinvent the rest. What exactly I want to say in the sense, to find an existing open source toolkit. What I meant to say, toolkit, Tiles Toolkit is an open source project. To find, we want to find an existing open sourced toolkit, and we want to modify it to fit the language and innovation process. It describes the path of translating new and or existing knowledge into a marketable solutions. Okay, so of your own organization, we want to find an existing open sourced toolkit, and we want to modify it to fit the language and the innovation process of your own organization. This is the step 1. What the step 1 ma? Take the best and reinvent the rest. And coming to the second step, what we want to say there, build the innovation brand. What we want to build there, innovation brand. What ma? The brand, innovation brand, something new. We want to introduce some new brand now here. What exactly I want to say, build the innovation brand. What I meant to say exactly, innovation brand in the sense, simply we can say, if you have to put an innovation brand, is a brand that is reinventing their industry, to reinvent again their industry ma. It's a brand. Innovation can take many forms ma, and it can be used in any industry. While the work is to be innovative, it seems to be overused. There are elements of innovation that can be seen nearly every form of business. In coming to the business point of view, if you have to take a product, that product will be innovative idea. It can be moved away to the organization and wherever it may be. What I meant to say exactly, innovation brand, it's a brand that to reinvent again their industry. Innovation, it can take many forms, and it can be used in any industry. While you are working some innovative, it seems to be used. There are some elements of innovation that can be seen in nearly every form of business. What exactly I want to say in the sense, give your toolkit a compelling name. What we want to compelling, fascinating, if we have to evoking some interest, to attention or to admiration in a in an irrespectable way, and we want to design a brand image, in the sense to signifies what the brand presently stands for. It is a set of beliefs to held about a specific brand. Whatever the customers develop various associations with the brand image that resonate, in the sense to produce a positive feeling, and we want to say some emotional response. Whatever, if we have to say something, an opinion, okay, an issue that clearly resonate with members of our community, with people, just like if we have to understand, intuit, in the sense understand, and named their toolkit a catalyst, and we want to create that at Adobe and the Kickbox, whatever, to practice that, okay. What exactly I meant to say, in the sense, give your toolkit is a compelling name, or we can say to fascinating, or we want to attention in an irrespectable way, okay. So that brand image is the, what I meant to say, if you want to design a brand image, it is the current view of the customers about a brand. It can be defined as a unique bundle of associations within the minds of target customers, what it signifies, the brand presently. So the brand image, what it stands for, in the sense, it is a set of beliefs to held about a specific brand. Whatever the consumers develop something, various associations with that brand, okay, that resonate, in the sense that to produce a positive feeling and an emotional response, an issue that clearly resonates with the members of our community, or you can say with the people, just like to understand whatever the Intuit named, okay, their toolkit catalyst, and Adobe created whatever they practice to practice the Kickbox. This is the second step for innovation toolkit success. Now we can discuss the third step, that is nothing but, what we want to say, third step is nothing but rally people around real problems. What I meant to say now, rally people around real problems. Our real problems, how we want to rally the people around that. First of all, if you want to provide people with some opportunities like workshops, and we want to say the one more, that is nothing but hackathons, to try out the toolkit, and we want to apply it to a real challenge or opportunity and learn to use it in a safe environment. Okay, what exactly I meant to say, in the sense, rally people around real problems. What exactly the third step is nothing but, what we want to say, rally people around real problems. If you want to provide people with opportunities like workshops and hackathons. What exactly the hackathons, in the sense, it's nothing but it is an event. Typically we are lasting several days, in which a large number of people meet to occupy, to engage in collaborative computer programming on a project. So the participants work rapidly, and we are often work without sleep to achieve their task. What I meant to say exactly is what is the purpose of hackathons, in the sense, it gathers project managers and we want to say some designers, developers and programmers to work together on various software projects. So while it has a somewhat competitive spirit, the main goal of hackathons, it want to creating something new and extraordinary. This is the purpose of hackathons. What exactly I want to say, in the sense, in which a large number of people, an event, it should be typically lasting several days. We want to engage in a collaborative computer programming on that project. The participants work rapidly and oftenly work without sleep to achieve their task. What I meant to say in the sense, hackathons to try out the toolkit, if you want to apply it to a real challenge or opportunity, and we have to learn to use it in a safe environment. What exactly I meant to say, the third step is nothing but rally people around real problems. What exactly in the sense, we want to provide people with opportunities like workshops and hackathons is nothing but it gathers some project managers, designers and developers and as well as programmers to work together on some various software projects. We want to try out the toolkit, so apply it to a real challenge or opportunity and learn to use it in a safe environment. This is the concept of this is the third step of design thinking tiles toolkit success. In further video, if we have to explain the three steps, okay, tap the energy of early adopters and release in the early wins, and then last finally get out of the way. Okay, in later further video we can explain the further three steps. Thank you up to now, ma.